running a solid red right there.
Okay, all right, yes.
Put your fucking phone down and drive. Holy sh**.
Yeah! Very close call there. Very, very close call with that car there.
Oh, look at this racer.
I'd say you failed.
Failed?
Hammond, you blithering idiots!
Thank you.
This is one of the most beautiful cars ever made. And that's obvious the moment you first take a look at it.
Rüdiger, bitte! Rüdiger, bitte! Vorsichtig, vorsichtig! Rüdiger, bitte! Das war kein Meter, hast du das gesehen?
Look, an idiot!
It was probably the best ever move.
Take your time. Stay there. Stay there. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Patient. Be patient. Okay, good. That's it. Beautiful. Very erratic driving. A very, very close call with that car there. And almost made contact. Erratic driving continuing here.
Put down your phone, you dumb.
Tailgating danger caught on tape. Keep your eye on these two cars. It's tailgating in the extreme. Check out the truck following close behind in this video. The truck driver overtakes and makes a rude hand gesture as he goes by.
No, 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 no.
A dog behind the wheel.
There's regular stupid, and then there's advanced stupid.
What's she doing?
I'm faster than you!
What reality you live in?
Ich möchte jetzt einen Joghurt.
Good.
Seriously? How did that happen? Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's a freak.
It's a direwolf.
There are no direwolves south of the wall.
I don't belong down here.
That's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling to try to catch me by the jet.
Modern problems require modern solutions.
Thank you!
How many drinks have you had today, sir?
Yes.
But now, what's ahead of us?
Bist du verblödet oder bist du verblödet? Voidiot! Du Voidiot! Du Arschloch, verpiss dich! Du Volltrottel, du Volltrottel!
Suspicious person with a black hoodie, dark pants.
It's a Hispanic male, black hoodie.
You're doing it wrong.
Good job. Really good job.
What? Why?
What are you doing? You're slowing down! You're slowing down!
That scenario right there is a classic clusterfuck.
まず最初に飛ぶのは重さ 4.8 キロ、直径52センチ。
Oh yeah, this is nice. Very beautiful. It's quite beautiful.
Thank you.